Welcome to Healthy Lifestyle Tips, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. Here, we're passionate about offering you the most accurate, well-researched advice to help you lead a healthier and happier life. We believe that small changes can make a big difference, and we're committed to guiding you every step of the way on your health journey. Now let's dive into the world of savory, nutrient-packed bone soup and discover the amazing health benefits it offers. First on the list, bone soup is a nutrient powerhouse bursting with vitamins and minerals. Each spoonful of this hearty broth is like a love letter to your body. Imagine this bone soup as a natural multivitamin brimming with calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Calcium, a key player in bone health, gives your skeleton the strength it needs to support your daily activities. Magnesium, often overlooked, is vital in over 300 biochemical reactions in the human body. It helps maintain normal nerve and muscle function, supports a healthy immune system, and even contributes to a steady heart rhythm. And let's not forget about phosphorus, the unsung hero that plays a crucial role in the formation of teeth and bones, as well as the repair, maintenance, and growth of cells and tissues. In essence, bone soup is not just about warming your soul on a chilly day. It's about feeding your body the nutrients it craves. So when you sip on that delicious bone soup, you're also fueling your body with essential nutrients. Next up, bone soup promotes a healthy digestive system. Now, you might be wondering how a simple bowl of soup can do that. Well, the secret lies in the gelatin. Yes, you heard it right. Gelatin. It's a substance that's derived from collagen. And bone soup is brimming with it when you consume bone soup. The gelatin enters your digestive system and goes to work. It starts by restoring the gut lining. Think of it as a repair crew, patching up the leaky spots and reinforcing the walls of your intestines. But it doesn't stop there. Gelatin also aids digestion by helping your body break down foods and absorb nutrients more efficiently. From reducing inflammation to helping manage food sensitivities, the gelatin in bone soup can be a game changer for your digestive health. So if you're looking for a tasty way to support your gut, look no further. A cup of bone soup a day could keep digestive issues away. Thirdly, bone soup is a natural immunity booster. Imagine a shield protecting your body from invasions of viruses and bacteria. That's what bone soup does for your immune system. It's the minerals in the bones, like zinc, calcium, and magnesium that play vital roles. Zinc, for instance, is known to increase the production of infection-fighting white blood cells. Calcium and magnesium, on the other hand, are essential for maintaining the health of your immune cells. But there's more. Bone soup also contains a good amount of amino acids, such as arginine, glutamine, and cysteine. These amino acids are like soldiers, always ready to fight for your health. They help reduce inflammation, repair tissues, and support the overall function of your immune system. So next time you're feeling a little under the weather, why not whip up a batch of bone soup? It's delicious, it's nutritious, and it's a fantastic way to keep your immune system in fighting shape. Bone soup, your tasty shield against those pesky colds and flus. Last but not least, bone soup enhances skin health and promotes healthy joints. Let's dive into how this miraculous soup does this. The secret lies in two key ingredients, collagen and gelatin. Collagen, a protein found abundantly in bone soup, is known for its skin-enhancing properties. It aids in maintaining skin elasticity, reducing wrinkles, and giving your skin a youthful glow. Think of it as a natural beauty elixir that works from the inside out. Moving on to gelatin, another protein powerhouse in bone soup. It's essentially cooked collagen and plays a pivotal role in supporting joint health. Gelatin can help to repair the cartilage in our joints, which wears down with age and activity. It's like a natural lubricant for your joints, keeping them functioning smoothly and pain-free. So the next time you're sipping on a warm, comforting bowl of bone soup, remember, you're not just satisfying your taste buds. You're also nurturing your skin and joints. Sip your way to glowing skin and supple joints with bone soup. There you have it, 5 compelling reasons to incorporate bone soup into your daily diet. Recap for good measure. It's a powerhouse of nutrients, aids digestion, gives your immune system a healthy boost, enhances your skin's health, and promotes joint wellness. So why not give this simple yet powerful broth a try? You might just find it becomes your new favorite health hack. Join us next time on Healthy Lifestyle Tips for more health and wellness advice. Don't forget to subscribe and stay informed about your health.